Hello, I'm Frank, and welcome to Story Time. This is the story about writing in different languages. In a colourful home in the city of Wellington, Jean and Joy were busy at their desk with their handwriting homework. Jean concentrated very hard on writing the letter O in a smooth circle, each trying to look less and less wobbly. Joy practiced her favourite letter, J, making sure the tail flicked up just right. Across the house, they heard a big rustle of paper. They paused their homework to investigate. At the dining table, their grandfather, Gung Gung, had laid out big sheets of white paper. "Hello, girls," he said. "I'm writing Chinese calligraphy." He picked up his fur-tipped paintbrush and dipped it into a tray of black ink. Jean and Joy watched as Gung Gung took a calming breath and swept his paintbrush across the paper in many smooth lines, dashes and hooks. "Is it a drawing?" Joy asked. "No," said Gung Gung. "This is Chinese character." "Like the letters we're practicing to write?" asked Jean. "You're writing in English," said Gung Gung. "This is Chinese symbol, meaning love. I thought of you girls while I wrote it." "Can we have a go at writing calligraphy?" asked Joy. Gung Gung nodded and turned to a fresh sheet of paper. Jean took the brush first and wrote a big letter L and O, just a little bit wobbly. Joy then took the brush and wrote V and E, concentrating on keeping the lines straight. "Gung Gung, we wrote this for you. In English, it spells love," said Joy. Gung Gung smiled and put their words next to his own. They all looked at the words, happily understanding that love can be shared in different languages. The end.